Hi guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Webtoon not working in your phone. You can do the same thing on Android and iOS. First thing, open settings, go to the apps. Now this is the apps manager page. Right here you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. Scroll until you find Webtoon and click on it. When you click on Webtoon, now click on force stop to stop the app. After that, click on the data usage. Scroll down and make sure to enable all these options here. Go back again, click on storage. Click on clear data and delete. And then open the Play Store or the App Store, search for Webtoon and update it. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to remove Webtoon and re-download it in your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the end.